Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to this channel. My name is Fenifara. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how to do the individual crochet. At the back part, I will just be doing the normal cornrows and then crocheting my hair the normal way. But at the front part is where I will be doing the individual crochet. And let me take this second to remind you guys to please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. There are more hair tutorials when you scroll through the channel, and let me know what other hairstyles you would like for me to do. I'm parting the front section so that I can continue with the cornrows at the back, and when you're parting, it just depends with the amount of section that you want to do the individual crochet. If you want to do it on a bigger portion of hair, you can do that as well. If you want to do it all round, it's up to you. For me, I'm just doing that section at the front for the individual part, and the rest of the hair I'll be doing the normal cornrows. Now that I am done with the cornrows at the back, I will be doing the individual strands at the front. Where I come from, we call them matutas, and I will be sectioning them into a smaller size because the braids that I'm using are also smaller in size. So if your crochet braids that you're using are large in size, you can do the large matutas. I am going to be using this twist crochet on my hair, and I'll be mixing the two colors, the black and number 900. This is how the individual strand looks like. It's not that big, and I'll be using the black as the dominant color and throw in number 900 here and there. I know guys, number 900 is my go-to safe color. I promise to experiment more on colors in the future. And if you are a beginner, I will link the video on how to crochet as a beginner in the description box down below. Today I am going to explain on how to do the individual crochet method, and this is the second time I'm using the same hair. This is what I used last time. So this hairstyle is a saver. You can save a lot because you can reuse these braids over and over again. I am done with the back part, which is the cornrow part, and it's time to begin with the front part, which is the individual part. I am going to tie the hair first so that it can be out of the way, and I will explain into detail into what I'm doing. This is the section that requires your undivided attention for you to get what I'm doing. Here we go. You begin by putting your latch inside the strand or matuta. Then you put in your crochet braid and close the latch. Pull it on one side, remove the latch and tie your crochet braid onto your hair. You then begin by tucking in your strand into the matuta. So we are basically twisting our own hair inside the crochet strand, hiding it. We are basically hiding our own hair into the braid, and voila, you can't tell that it's a crochet braid. So this is the simple method that you can do. You can see I'm tucking it into a twist method, slowly by slowly, hiding my natural hair into the crochet braid. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe if you haven't already. You can click the notification bell so that you can know when I upload. Thank you and goodbye.